Are you struggling to convert your website visitors into buyers? You're not alone. Many business owners face this challenge daily, feeling the frustration of seeing potential customers leave their site without making a purchase. It can be disheartening to put so much effort into attracting visitors only to see them slip away. Many online businesses face low conversion rates because of overwhelming product choices and a lack of personalized experiences. When customers are bombarded with too many options, they often feel paralyzed and end up not making any decision at all. This is where the importance of a tailored shopping experience comes into play. Did you know that the average e-commerce conversion rate is just 2 to 3%? This means that out of every 100 visitors, only 2 or 3 actually make a purchase. That's a staggering amount of missed opportunities and potential revenue slipping through your fingers. Imagine the impact on your business if you could convert just a few more of those visitors into paying customers. The difference could be transformative. Introducing AI Sales Converter, the ultimate solution to boost your online sales. This innovative tool is designed to tackle the very issues that cause low conversion rates, providing a seamless and personalized shopping experience for your customers. Our app creates a customizable embeddable widget and a dedicated feedback page to deliver personalized product recommendations effortlessly. This means that your customers will receive suggestions tailored specifically to their needs and preferences, making their shopping experience more enjoyable and efficient. With its sleek, user-friendly design, you'll wonder how you managed without it. The interface is intuitive, ensuring that even those with minimal technical skills can easily navigate and utilize the app to its full potential. Here's how it works. The process is straightforward and can be broken down into a few simple steps. Step 1. Add your products, descriptions, and purchase links. This is the foundation of the system, providing the necessary information for the app to generate accurate recommendations. Step 2. The app auto-generates a few multiple-choice questions based on your product details. These questions are designed to gather insights into your customers' preferences and needs. Step 3. Customize the widget's layout, theme, bot name, and avatar to match your brand. This ensures that the tool seamlessly integrates with your website's look and feel, maintaining brand consistency. Step 4. Choose between embedding the widget on your website or generating a standalone page to share directly with customers for feedback. This flexibility allows you to use the tool in a way that best suits your business model. Imagine a customer visiting your site, answering a few quick questions, and instantly receiving personalized product recommendations. This not only enhances their shopping experience but also increases the likelihood of them making a purchase. It's that simple. The ease of use and effectiveness of AI Sales Converter can make a significant difference in your sales performance. With AI Sales Converter, you can increase customer engagement by offering tailored options, boost conversions with intelligent product matching, and simplify the buying process for your visitors. This tool not only helps in converting visitors into buyers, but also enhances their overall shopping experience, making them more likely to return in the future. Our users have seen a significant increase in sales and customer satisfaction. The positive feedback from our clients speaks volumes about the effectiveness of AI Sales Converter. Experience up to a 30% increase in conversion rates with AI Sales Converter. This substantial boost can lead to significant growth in your revenue and overall business success. Ready to transform your online sales? The time to act is now. This is a great opportunity to get started. Enjoy a limited time discount on the AI Sales Converter. Don't miss out. Join us and see how AI Sales Converter can revolutionize your business. Take the first step towards boosting your sales and enhancing your customer shopping experience today.
Hello everyone. Welcome to AI Sales Converter. This tool helps users boost sales by delivering personalized product recommendations through an embeddable widget or shareable page. It simplifies the buying process, enhances customer engagement, and increases conversions effortlessly. So, after login, you will be redirected to the dashboard. Now, click on Campaigns, and create a new campaign. Enter the campaign name, and continue. Now, you can choose the campaign type that suits your needs. Whether you want to create a campaign for lead generation, for selling products and services, or to book qualified calls. I am creating this campaign to sell products and services, and continue further. You are just 4 steps away from completing your campaign. In step 1, add your product details like name, redirect URL, website URL, and a short description of your products. You can write the description manually, or you can generate a description with the help of AI. And if you don't like the description, you can also regenerate it again with the help of AI. Now, if you would like to show a testimonial at the end of the survey, you can enable that from here. Also, you can enable the option to provide discount coupon codes with the product links. So it will show the coupon code directly with the suggested product links. You can add multiple products in a single campaign. I have added a laptop as an example. Save and continue to the next step. In step 2, you will see AI-generated questions based on the product description that you entered in step 1. Users will have to answer these questions to get product recommendations. Here you can regenerate the questions, or you can save and continue with the existing ones. Now in step 3, you have to choose the widget theme, or page theme based on your need, or as you like. Here, you can easily customize the theme, like changing the theme color, font family, welcome message, button icon, avatar, and much more. You can also enable the opt-in form from here, and choose the autoresponder and list according to your need. This helps you build an email list of potential customers, allowing you to follow up with them later. Now, continue to the final step 4. Here you can get the share link, and embed code. Copy the share link, and share it with your users to start the survey. On this page, user has to start the survey. Users have to answer these AI-generated questions, which you saved in the campaign creating process, to get the product recommendation. After answering all the questions, you will finally see the opt-in form that grabs the emails of the user. Users have to enter their name and email to continue. You can also choose to show the opt-in form at the start of the survey or hide it. This can be done on the Customize page while setting up the widget in AI Sales Converter. AI will recommend the best product, based on the answers provided by the user. In this case, AI has recommended a laptop to me, based on the answers I have given. You can now purchase the product by clicking the button below, which will redirect you to the product page. Or you can copy and paste the embed code, to add it as a widget to your website. You can follow the instructions mentioned here, to use the embed code. And boom! You can view the widget live on your website. Let's click the widget to get started with the survey, and answer the questions. These are the questions that were generated with the help of AI while creating the campaign. Let's answer these questions. After answering all the questions, you will see the opt-in form that grabs the emails of the customers at the last step. AI will recommend the best product, based on the answers provided by the customers. As you can see, it has recommended a laptop to me, based on my answers, and which is exactly what I was looking for. A product purchase link will also be provided with the same. By clicking the link, customers will be redirected to the product page, and make the purchase. In this way, the AI Sales Converter helps users to make their purchases without any hassles. Thanks for watching.